most children at the primary level, prep level, are not reading at their grade level. Most students are not even working at their numeracy level. This exam that comes on, you have few persons who will argue for it and no problem and whatever, because they are teaching students who have a higher IQ than most of our students in Jamaica. Most of our teachers who teach most of these students know that you come in with that type of system that have been practiced, that is still practiced and practiced before around the world. And you come with something called critical thinking after exposing our children to rote learning. You come with a system, say 2 years ago, that is very short. These countries that we talk about, Japan, Singapore and things, when they introduce their system, if you read about them, they introduce their system on a phase basis from the start, from the children, from the pre-primary, and teach them how to do critical thinking. Critical thinking is not a 2-year thing.
We would have been told, focus on units 1 and 2. You're supposed to look at number and measurement. And we were given a specific term which to cover. But when the exam came, well, for me, I would have covered all the areas that came on the exam. But I am expecting, if you say that these are the topics that we should cover for the exam, I'm assuming that most persons would have spent their time covering those topics or those 2 units that we were supposed to cover. When the exam date was changed from December, I assumed that unit 1 and 2 of the second term would have been included in the exam as well. The ministry did not indicate that. Their focus was unit 1 and 2 from term 1. However, after covering units 1 and 2 from both terms and preparing the children for number and measurement based on those terms, finish with the exam and looking at the structure of the exam. 2 weeks later, when I'm planning my lessons and I turn around, because the curriculum is new, and I see that in algebraic expressions, the way in which the question came out on the exam is basically algebraic expression it was taken from, where we were asked to select options, and so it didn't come out in those 2 units.
They tell us to focus on letter writing and so forth. The letter was coming, and on the day of the exam, the children had to do an essay. And we were focusing on all types of letters and so forth. This exam is new to us. We are new to the curriculum, and they don't want to hear the teachers. The teachers are the one with the students. They don't want us to speak up.